Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome back into another crypto video. The world of crypto is going crazy right now, and as always I want to present to you some great opportunities in the market by looking at some alt gems as well as some undervalued projects. And I want to do today a bit of a review on DefiCoins. We've recently seen it launch on one of the centralized exchanges, Bitmart, and since that happened we saw a huge impulse all the way up to around $0.47. So let's take a look at this particular project. Is it worth investing in 2022? What can we expect from it? What actually is it? What does the team have to offer you as a potential crypto holder, investor and speculator? So let's have a little look what's going on at the moment. Here is the DefiCoins website. We can see DefiCoins join the future of algorithmic crypto trading strategies. The DefiCoin protocol is a community-driven, fair-launched DeFi token. 3 simple functions occur during each trade: reflection, liquidity pair acquisition, and burning. And you can see here you can just simply buy these on PancakeSwap, the centralized exchange, on Bitmart, and also on the DeFi swap platform as well. So as we scroll down, we can see they've already got 10k holders expected by Q3 of 2022. So if you're getting in on this project now, you're effectively getting in very, very early. You're one of the early investors, which means the upside potential is huge, and it is possible for a 10 to 100x with a project like this, with a real tangible team operating in London with lots of cash flow for marketing and other, PR requirements. So we can see here $10 million expected liquidity Q3 2022. Millions of tokens to be burned as well, so that could insinuate maybe a deflationary tokenomics or something like that. And currently we're a 38 million market cap, so think again, how easy is it for 38 million market cap to become 380 and also 3.8 billion? So that would be 100x right there. It's quite pragmatic to say the least. DefiCoins, community-driven project. Community-driven and fair launch. The dev team burned all of their tokens and participated with everyone else. Automatic liquidity pairs. Every trade contributes towards automatically generating liquidity that goes into multiple pools used by exchanges. We've also got RFI, static rewards. Holders earn passive rewards, so you're going to get some nice staking opportunities, yield farming through static reflection as they watch their balance of DefiCoin grow indefinitely. And yeah, I think this is nice. I really like the website, very simple and easy to follow. They've got a bit of a roadmap over here. Of course, we've already surpassed January-March 2022. Develop DeFi Swap website for testnet already happened. Launch DeFi Swap website on testnet. We've already had these things happen. So we're already at this phase now, May to July 2022. Launch DeFi Swap version 3. This will feature research, forum, crypto signals, interactive charts, market data, podcasts, and much, much more. So yeah, definitely keep an eye on this one, guys. It's going to be one that could potentially explode in the future. Another thing I really, really like is, the meet the team section, which is right here. We can actually see who's behind the project, and sometimes you have quite a strange sort of fishy looking team, but these are all very much real people, as I say, operating and working for a real business. The DefiCoins leadership team have nearly 35 years crypto experience between them. DeFi is the term used for financial applications built on blockchain technology that aims to democratize the economic landscape by replacing centralized institutions. So yeah, really, really like to see this. Of course, transparency is key, trust for the holders as well. So let's have a look at the white papers. I want to show you some important parts of the white papers here today. So DefiCoin static rewards. A major benefit of holding DefiCoin tokens is that users have the opportunity to earn dividends via a static reward system. Before getting to the specifics of how this works, it is important to note the issues of the static rewards solve. So we can see here, in the vast majority of cases, early backers of newly launched digital currency will look to sell their holdings as soon as the asset hits an exchange. Naturally, this results in a downtrend. So, it hits an exchange, the early investors will sell as the volume comes in. So naturally, that's going to result in a downtrend. At the other end of the scale, you have digital currencies like DefiCoin that promote and reward long-term buy and holding strategies as well. So that is to say, by selling or exchanging DefiCoin for another cryptocurrency, the user will incur a 10% tax. 5% of this tax will then be distributed proportionately between existing token holders. So this should reduce the selling pressure and actually create a penalty for selling in that case. Let's suppose that the number of DeFi coins you are holding is equivalent of 1% of the total supply. Somebody sells 40k DeFi coins in the open marketplace. 10% of this is tax, so that's 4,000 coins. 50% of this, or 2,000 tokens, is distributed for the purpose of exchange liquidity. The remaining 50%, or 2k tokens, is distributed across all DeFi holders on a proportionate basis. So as you hold 1% of the total supply, this means that you receive 20 DeFi coin tokens for that particular input and transaction across the ecosystem. Another thing I want to show you as well is token burning to reduce the circulating supply. This is very important because you want to have a reason to invest and you don't want a forever inflationary supply. A further concept is that it's important to the team at DefiCoin is that there's an ongoing burning program. For those unaware, when a cryptocurrency token is burned, this operates much in the same way as a share buyback program. This is because by burning tokens, the overall supply is reduced, therefore increasing the price. When there are fewer tokens in circulation, this has a desired impact of increasing the market value because of scarcity, things like that. This will help increase the market capital over time, but also the price as well, and keep the fully diluted market capitalization much lower. So let's suppose that a cryptocurrency project has 10 million tokens in circulation. Each token has a price of $1. So yeah, it is really easy to see. It's pretty self-explanatory, and I think it's very important to actually consider that this is going to have a burning total supply on it. If we check out another crazy element of this platform, if you go back to the website as well, they have a staking section, and when you click that, it takes you through to this lovely page here. So we're just going to connect our MetaMask wallet. Let me just connect my MetaMask wallet onto the right ecosystem. Here we go. So once you're on your MetaMask, make sure you're on your Binance Smart Chain. And now we're going to load into the pools.defiswap.io. Connect that wallet one more time. And here we are. So what I really like about this is, firstly, it tells you how many are totally staked right now in live time. We've got 31.3k DEFC staked at current time. Now, we can stake. We can enter how many we want to stake. I've got no balance, of course, but if we were to do 100, for instance, you have different packages. So Platinum is an APY of 75%, locked in at 360. Now, I don't know if these APYs will change. I'm not too sure yet. We've also got Gold package, 180 days locked in for 60% interest. Silver, 90 days for 45% interest. Bronze package, 30% for a very small 30-day lock-in. So really, really love the different packages here. I think if you get in early enough, you can capitalize a lot of cryptocurrency by using this staking platform right here. And this is one staking pool so far, DEFC, so I think it's auto compounding. Really, really nice to see this particular project offer this particular staking pool. Maybe they'll have different liquidity pairs in the future and different options across the decentralized exchange. But yeah, watch this space, guys, because I think it's going to go absolutely crazy. Next thing I want to look at is actually the price of the project. So there's a news article right here. DefiCoin price rise is 175% in a day. The DEFC price is up over 175% in the last day, currently trading at 0.23 cents. So now it's already like 0.49. So if you did watch my video recently, you'd have already doubled your money. There is likely to be a little bit of selling pressure, but you know, to be honest, nothing actually happened. We can see it already retraced 98% from its all-time high of $4 in July. And I'll tell you a bit later as to why that does not matter in cryptocurrency or the crypto world. Corrections do not matter. The bigger the correction, if it's a team that's going to be offering longevity and it's a real solid platform with a great development team and utility, they're going to stick around. So we can also see DefiCoin has completed another phase of its roadmap, the version 3 launch of DefiSwap.io, DEX app and farming pool. Very, very nice to see this project. Also, they've got some nice news out there. They've got a growing Twitter page already, so they're really focusing on the marketing. We can see that DEFC is actually moving up in value against wrap BNB. Whilst the rest of the market capitulates, DEFC is holding really, really nicely at this price at the moment. As we can see right here, the last 7 days, we've seen a 430% pump to the upside. Absolutely tremendous gains, guys. Tremendous gains. And here is the price action over on the Bitmark exchange itself. So do keep an eye on the price. We're holding a lot of key support at $0.36, and I think there's a bit of resistance at 0.49 as well. So we're trading in this range, lots of volatility, but again, we're holding just where we need to. This is why I also wanted to show you that basically the 98% correction is irrelevant. So we all know oh my god, cryptocurrency, you know, even Vitalik Buterin, Ethereum holder or founder, holds $160,000 worth of this particular project. So So let's have a look at what happened back in 2018. We can see we took a whopping correction of 98%, and then since then, what happened? You know, market cycle bottom, peak fear, peak capitulation. Okay, 4,800% increase. So do the math yourself. Do the math yourself. If that was $100 times it by 480, that is 48. Sorry, and that's how much money you would have made. So yeah. Corrections can be bad for some particular projects, and of course always do your own research. Some projects are scams, some projects do pull the rug and they will never recover, but I truly think this will be one of them that will stand the test of time because they want to show you what the real value of their projects are. They have a working team, they've got lots of funding as well for marketing purposes too. And yeah, they're here to stay. It's really, really nice. This is one of the first centralized exchange listings. So think what happens when they're on Coinbase, on Binance, on Robinhood, and all of the other ones such as Bybit as well. You're going to see some crazy traction, crazy unique growth, you know, more unique wallet holders as well. I just think it's going to be absolutely crazy. So if you want to buy this one today as well, I'm just going to show you how easy it is to do whilst we are here on the review section. All you need to do is click on purchase token. It will take you through to PancakeSwap decentralized exchange. Now once this loads, we can see everything about DefiCoin, what it's trading at, the liquidity, the volume as well. And all you need to do is simply click onto the trade section. Once it happens, all you've got to do is basically swap these round. So you're swapping your other holdings or currencies into the correct contract, which is DEFC. And now we can see, looking here, we can change any of our holdings. For example, BNB, you could change USDT or BUSD, and simply you're just going to swap. You'd go like this, and then you'd enter an amount, and then you'd go through the trade. You check the gas fee, approve the transaction, and you're going to get it just like that. Of course, you can also grab some today on Bitmart as well and the other platforms, but I really do speculate this is going to be a big one for the future, guys. Let me know what you think down in the comments about this project. Are you bullish on these alt gems, these low market cap gems that we're seeing? I mean, there's got to be a great reason as to why we've had a 430% increase over the last 7 days, whilst the rest of the market begins to bleed and capitulate against Bitcoin. So keep an eye on DefiCoins. Watch this space. Make sure you subscribe to the channel as well, guys. Leave a like, leave suggestions down below, and we'll do an update on this one soon. Bye for now.